As weird as it sounds, your garage is probably both the most overutilized and underutilized part of your house. Whether it is sorting out storage problems or collecting the ultimate tools to bring out the mechanic in you, we've curated a list of cool gadgets for your garage that will give you the ultimate value for your money. Number 10. Maxsa Innovations Parking Mats. The Maxsa Innovations parking mats are a great parking companion because they let you park your car in the perfect spot. It makes parking a breeze by signaling you to stop if you're about to hit objects like trash cans, mowers, bikes, or walls. This means your car and your belongings always stay protected from damages. The device comes with an anti-skid tape, which ensures that it stays fixed in place during parking. Number 9. MYCHANIC Garage Rolling Toolbox Stool. If you're tired of not finding all your tools in one place for your project, the MYCHANIC Garage Rolling Toolbox Stool is a great option for you. It serves as both a stool on wheels and a highly convenient tool storage option. Made of high-grade, powder-coated steel, the stool has an adjustable height and is capable of holding 500 pounds. It includes a large and spacious drawer to store a majority of all your heavy tools and a holster and bins so that you can easily access your on-the-go tools. Number 8. ProLift 40-inch Foldable Z-Creeper. Serving both as a mechanic's creeper and a mechanic's seat, the ProLift 40-inch portable Z-Creeper is an awesome garage accessory to have. The creeper comes with a comfy padded surface so that you can stay comfortable while fixing your vehicle. You can also convert it into a Z-shaped seat for seated repair work. Built with a heavy-duty frame, the creeper can handle weight up to 450 pounds. This device also includes 6 swivel casters, which ensure high mobility in terms of reaching just the space you want. Number 7. Garage Tool Rack and Storage Shelf. If you're looking for a convenient and economical garage storage solution, the StoreYourBoard Garage Tool Rack and Storage Shelf is a great option for you. It comes with 6 storage attachments, which makes it extremely customizable. This means you can use it to make your very own rack that will hold all your tools. It also includes a wall hanger that can hold your yard tools, brooms, rakes, extension cords, and much more. Since it's made of heavy-duty steel, it is robust and has the capacity to hold all your heavy tools. Number 6. TERAPUMP Automatic Gas Transfer Pump. The TERAPUMP Automatic Gas Transfer Pump makes fueling up your vehicle's tank a breeze. This battery-powered device automatically transfers fuel from the gas can to the fuel tank with a touch of a button. This means you don't have to deal with lifting heavy gas cans or fuel transfer spillage. Its auto stop sensor stops the pump when the tank is full, which means you don't have to worry about spillage and overflows. It also comes with a rain-resistant cover, which makes it possible to pump fuel even in rains, and is CSA certified for high safety. Number 5. AURELIO Magnetic Garage Door Screens. Unlike other messy screens, the AURELIO Magnetic Garage Door Screens make use of a unique magnetic design for both utility and convenience. Alongside keeping your garage space free from flies, insects, and mosquitoes, this screen's gravity sticks ensure that the screen is closed seamlessly and entirely so that it doesn't get affected by winds. It's super easy to install, and the screen shuts itself perfectly after pets or people walk through it. Number 4. Lay Flat Garage Ceiling Bike Lift. Garage is all about saving space, and this gadget does that perfectly, especially if you own a bike. The Lay Flat Garage Ceiling Bike Lift is the ultimate bike storage system your garage needs. It comes with a hydro-pneumatic system that mounts and lifts your bike flat against the garage ceiling so that you can use the space to park your car and maybe squeeze a workstation instead. Once you load your bike into the lift and give it a slight push, the bike automatically gets lifted to the ceiling and stays there in place. When you want to use your bike, the system gets it down effortlessly and puts your bike back in the vertical position so you can unload it in no time. Number 3. App-controlled 120-watt dimmable LED garage lights. If you don't want to feel the need for manually switching your garage lights on and off, the app-controlled 120-watt dimmable LED garage lights is a great option for you. These lights can be controlled using an app. Whether you're parking in your garage and want the space lit up automatically, or quietly working away in the night and don't wish to leave your workstation, these lights always turn on and off at the touch of a button. It also comes with different brightness levels and color temperatures ideal for any time of the day. Number 2. Smart Tymate Tire Pressure Monitoring System. When it comes to ensuring driving safety, it's important to monitor your tire pressure from time to time. The Smart Tymate Tire Pressure Monitoring System is a great option for this purpose. This high-end device displays the tire pressure and temperature of all 4 tires at once in real time. This means that you don't have to step out of your car to manually check this data. In case any abnormalities are detected, this device's visual and audible alarms get triggered so you can take quick action without putting yourself or your car in danger. Number 1. MyQ Smart Garage Door Opener. The MyQ Smart Garage Door Opener transforms an ordinary garage into a smart garage. Once you sync your MyQ account with Amazon's Key for Garage app, you can access in-garage package delivery free of charge. So now your package can be placed inside your garage by the delivery agent. With this gadget, you don't have to worry about your package being stolen or affected by rains when left outside. It lets you open or shut your garage from anywhere. You even get alerts whenever your garage is accessed or left open, so you can always keep track of your deliveries. That's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like and hit the big bold red subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Till next time.